International Paper Bag Day, 12th July. Paper Bag Day is celebrated on 12th July globally every year to make people aware about the use of paper bags that contribute to fight with climate change and environment pollution. A paper bag is a bag made of paper, usually craft paper. Paper bags are commonly used as shopping bags, packaging and sacks. Paper bags are made from renewable raw materials, are recyclable and biodegradable. No doubt they are strong and are used in almost all occasions. Several people are using bags every day made up of paper and also help in curbing environmental pollution. Due to globalization, climate change and scarcity of raw materials, people are adopting sustainable lifestyle choices and using paper bags is one of them. It reduces the use of plastic bags which causes pollution and are non-biodegradable. No doubt, using paper bag is an important cornerstone to preserve our planet for future generations because paper bags are biodegradable. In several countries, Paper Bag Day is celebrated on different dates. For example, the European Paper Bag Day will take place on 18 October every year. History. In 1852, Francis Wall, a school teacher, invented the first machine to mass-produce paper bags. Wall and his brother patented the machine and founded the Union Paper Bag Company. In 1871, inventor Margaret E. Knight designed a machine that could create flat-bottomed paper bags, which could carry more than the previous envelope-style design. In 1883, Charles Stilwell patented a machine that made square-bottomed paper bags with pleated sides, making them easier to fold and store. This style of bag came to be known as the SOS or self-opening sack. In 1912, Walter Debner, a grocer in St. Paul, Minnesota, used cord to reinforce paper bags and add carrying handles. These Debner shopping bags could carry up to 75 pounds at a time and became quite popular, selling over 1 million bags a year by 1950. Paper bags with handles became the standard for departmental stores and were often printed with the store's logo or brand colors. Plastic bags were introduced in 1970s and their power cost eventually replaced paper bags as the bag of choice for grocery stores. With the trend towards phasing out lightweight plastic bags, though some grocers and shoppers have switched back to paper bags. In 2015, the world's largest paper shopping bag was made in the UK and recorded by Guinness World Records. Advantages of using paper bags. Using paper bag is eco-friendly. Packaging in paper bags are considered as an upmarket and classy. Packing in simple bag and in an attractive printed paper bags will definitely give an edge to the product. Paper bags are made up of renewable resources and so are easily recyclable. Paper bags are biodegradable and do not leftover toxins. Paper bags can be used again and again with careful handling. Paper bags can be easily composted in a home composer. Paper bags are inexpensive and practical to use. Disadvantage. Disadvantage of paper bag can be that they are too porous and carrying freezing food in a paper bag is difficult. The wet strength of a paper bag is a bit poor. No doubt, using paper bags will help a lot to environment. But yes, we should not waste paper and should not overdo it because papers are made up of wood and to generate more papers, we have to cut down trees.